If you've ever wanted to make your PowerPoint slides more interactive, today you're going to learn exactly how to insert a hyperlink with audio, something that instantly boosts engagement and makes your presentation feel far more dynamic. Whether it's for a game, a quiz, or a polished professional deck, this simple trick can completely change the experience. Let's get started. First, open up PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure everything's up to date so the tools work smoothly. Then head into the presentation you want to enhance. This can be a brand new project or something you're already working on. Now, navigate to the slide that contains the element you want to hyperlink. This could be text, an image, or any clickable object. Right-click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Edit Link. This opens the hyperlink settings, which is where the real customization begins. Inside the settings, select Place in this document. This option allows you to link directly to another slide within your presentation. Choose the exact slide you want viewers to jump to when they click the link. Try to keep the flow relevant so your presentation feels smooth and intentional. Once you've selected the destination, click OK to save it. Now it's time to add audio to elevate the experience even more. Still inside your PowerPoint project, go to the slide where your audio file is located, right-click the audio icon, select Style, and then choose Play in Background. This setting ensures your audio starts automatically and continues across slides until it ends, perfect for setting a mood, adding tension, or giving your presentation a dynamic soundtrack without interruptions. And just like that, you've combined hyperlinks and background audio to create a more interactive, polished, and engaging PowerPoint experience. Once you're done, remember to save your work and preview everything to make sure it runs exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more tools inside PowerPoint. You'll be surprised how much creativity it allows once you start experimenting.